欢迎来到世界第一大港宁波舟山港。今天引航的是半潜船马林。马林船长218米，船宽42米。马林的载重吨57000吨，最大下潜深度为23.3米，隶属于荷兰海上运输公司
Boscalis。Diving softly into this cold world, I wonder if I'm a stranger. Now I know, now I know. All this wine that runs in my vein, got lucky for a bit more of it. Feel all change, feel all change. And this sweet sour drink makes me happy, can make me sing, got me now. I'm drunk and drowned, flying up to the shiny sun. You gave me the wings that are easy to learn, but better learn. Now they're burning. She took the gun, finger on the trigger. I stopped and stared. No, I wouldn't run. This is what happens when you're blinded by the sun. She took the gun, finger on the trigger. I stopped and stared. No, I wouldn't run. This is what happens when you're blinded by the sun. Slide tight, make me fall in the night. Even if I won't fight, live one side of me. Yeah, I've been it, spit it, not a bit.
Hello. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Waiting for the immigration?
Yes.
Okay. Water, yeah.
马林的船员来自3个国家：俄罗斯、拉脱维亚和乌克兰。半潜船的驾驶台往往很大，像一间大玻璃屋，四周都是玻璃窗，全方位环绕视野。而且出人意外的是，半潜船马林是由台湾高雄船厂制造于1999年，至今已经26年了。但马林的驾驶台特别的干净和整洁，你完全不会想到这已经是一艘老船，你更不会想到在20多年前，台湾的造船技术竟然已经这么领先了。在驾驶台的左侧有一处休息区，休息区由2排沙发和1张小桌子组成，休息区的顶上有人工搭接一些绿植爬藤，显得十分的温馨舒适。休息区还有一个贴满冰箱贴的小冰箱，冰箱贴大部分来自广州和舟山，可见马林经常光顾中国的广州和舟山这2个港口。舟山是超大件装备出海的门户，半潜船会在舟山前装一些大型装备，运输到澳洲、非洲或欧洲的。兄弟们，半潜船是海上的大力士，但真正让它远行的是一群坚守岗位的船员。要是有机会，你们愿意加入这样的团队吗？
舟山教官，舟山有水饺。教官你好，那个马林在马日2号锚地的外5码位准备起锚，下至门出口向你报告。
好，知道。
好，再会。Okay. Yeah, continue. Yeah, after anchor clear water report. Yeah. Hard port. Okay, hard port. Anchor clear water.
Yes.
Okay, that's slow head. Okay. Yeah.
I'm drunk and drowned, flying up to the shiny sun. You gave me the wings that are easy to learn, but better learn. Now they're burning. She took the gun, finger on the trigger. I stopped and stared. No, I wouldn't run. This is what happens when you're blinded by the sun. She took the gun, finger on the trigger. I stopped and stared. No, I wouldn't run. This is what happens when you're blinded by the sun. Slide tight, made me fall in the night. Even if I won't fight, feel one side of me. Yeah, I've been it, spit it. Now the beating touch just reminded me. It's all about the fucking was warm and light. Let me get out of this flight. Spot you alright. Holding on, stay where I'm got it. Though I wanna fix it, forget it. Feel right about the footprints left on the backseat. She took the gun, finger on the trigger. I stopped and stared. No, I wouldn't run. This is what happens when you're blinded by the sun. She took the gun, finger on the trigger. I stopped and stared. No, I wouldn't run. This is what happens when you're blinded by the sun. I don't know where to go, anywhere my feet are too slow. I get stuck, but it's not too late to end. This emotional society makes you feel alive. I blurred it out, but now it hurts. Hey, she must have blurred my perception. Hey, I built it, lost my wits. You know that next thing, no looking up for. She took the gun, finger on the trigger. I stopped and stared. No, I wouldn't run. This is what happens when you're blinded by the sun. She took the gun, finger on the trigger. I stopped and stared. No, I wouldn't run. This is what happens when you're blinded by the sun.